Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your affiliate content in Notion database step by step clearly. Open your Notion database. Create a new page for your affiliate content. Choose a suitable title for your page. Set your database to the table view for easy organization. Add a column for the affiliate product names. Label the next column as description. Include another column for affiliate link. Create a column for commission. Add a date column to record when you added each affiliate item. Input your affiliate products into the database, one per row. Fill in the relevant details for each product in the corresponding columns. Use tags or categories to organize content for better visibility. Consider adding a notes column for any additional information. Regularly update your database as you add new affiliate opportunities. Back up your Notion database routinely to avoid data loss. To back up, use the export feature in Notion. Select the format you prefer, like Markdown or CSV. Choose the pages you wish to back up, including your affiliate content page. Click on the Export button to save the files to your device. Store your backups in a designated folder for easy access. Ensure you back up your content regularly to maintain up-to-date records. Review your backup files periodically to confirm they contain all relevant information. This process helps secure your affiliate content and ensures it remains accessible. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.